Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add apps and allow notifications leave focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. Then in the Sleep Focus, click Apps under the Notifications. Then in the Notifications, under the Allow Notifications From, you will see a positive sign, and all you have to do is just click it to add the applications that you want. For example, you want to add the Gcash and FaceTime. Just click it until there's a check mark on the small circle. And if you're done, just click Done. And now your application is on the list. And that's it. We have successfully added apps and allow notifications leave focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.